Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Ellis with Try This. Monitor your time. To get the very most out of life, I think it's valuable to take care of how you spend your most valuable resource, which I claim is your time. Because time's an equal opportunity resource. We've all got the same amount, and it's something you can't save up, like you can save up money. You can't save up time. And most of us know where our money goes, but few of us know where our time goes. And we hear it all the time when people say, oh, what happened? The month just flew by. How did I spend all that time? Or boy, the day I can't imagine what occurred. That's why I'm recommending to do what I do, and that is to make a list of what you spend your most valuable resource on, and you make that list every day. So 2 or 3 times a day, I go back to my list and I look and say, what have I been up to? What have I been using this most valuable resource? And I'll put down, like I had a meeting, and then I'll put down how long it took. 2 hours and a quarter. And then I'll also, under that, even put down some of what occurred in that meeting. If I go out to dinner, I'll put who I went with, how long it was, where I went, and again, a list of some of the things that we discussed. Now, the value of this is that I can go back and re-examine and say, what did I learn about myself as I review what I did with my most valuable resource? And what do I intend to do differently? I can only do that if I monitor my time. So, try that.